Hello, my name's Lily and I'm going to give you a quick overview of how to create a new customer within Quickbooks Online. So what we want to do is get to the customer centre. So we've done the left hand navigation bar. If we select customers, we're then in the customer centre where in the top right hand corner there's the option to create a new customer. If we select new customer, we're then presented with the customer screen. So what we first want to do is put in a name for the customer. So by doing that, we'll then begin to pre-populate some information about the customer. So you can see at the bottom here, the more information we put in, the more we get for display name. If we add a company as well, we're then given an additional option within the display name. So we can then choose how we want the customer to be listed. We can either select to show the customer by company name or by customer name we've put in. Alternatively, if you don't want any of these, you can modify them. So if we wanted to just show it as Lily instead of Lily Pomfret, we can delete the last part, and that's now how our customer will be shown. If we then add an email address within this section, it gives us the option within QuickBooks to start to send emails to our clients directly. So if we create an invoice or an estimate, we can then send it to them via QuickBooks via their email address. At the bottom you can see there's also an option to put in a billing address for them. Although we can't obviously send this through the system directly, the information will be pre-populated onto the invoice and it will look a little bit better. There's then the option to add notes. So within here you can add a little bit about the customer, where you met them, how they like to be invoiced, when they like to be invoiced, just things that can help to trigger your memory when you're dealing with them. There's also the option to add a VAT registration number for them if you know them, and you can also set up payment and billing information. For instance, how they prefer to be paid, so if they're always going to pay you in cash, you can put this information in there. Alternatively, you can also add that they must always pay on receipt. Again, this information will all be pre-populated whenever you raise an invoice or an estimate for this customer. When you're happy that all the information on there is correct, if we click Save, then our new customer is created and you can see they're given their own screen and they're listed down the left-hand side within the rest of our customers. If you've got any queries or comments, then add them in the box below. If not, feel free to check out our other videos.